This is looking out towards Caladesi Island. The hurricane caused so much damage. This used to just be massive brush over here that you couldn't see. You couldn't see this water. You couldn't see the Intercoastal. You could only see the Gulf. But now it's opened up. It's a very windy day, but it's about, I don't think it's hit above 80, maybe 82 or something right now. But the humidity isn't that high, so it's a wonderful day for a beach walk down here. This is clear water. As you can see, it's early in the morning because there's really nobody out here and it's spring break. So by noon, oh, there'll be a ton of people. Hope everybody's having a great day.